In this video, you'll learn how to create a Cloudflare account step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up your account and be ready to use Cloudflare's. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in wf.google.com and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can perform a search. Next, locate the search box in the center of the page, type in Cloudflare and hit Enter again. The search results will populate in a new list below the search bar, displaying various links related to Cloudflare. After that, look for the first result that appears, which should be titled Cloudflare Connect, Protect, and Build Everywhere. Click on this link to navigate to the official Cloudflare website. You should now be on the Cloudflare homepage where you can explore their services. Once the page loads, find the prominent button that says Start for Free and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new page that allows you to begin the account creation process. You should see options to sign up or log in. Next, look for the option labeled Continue with Google and click on it. This will prompt you to select a Google account if you are not already signed in. If prompted, enter your Google credentials to proceed. After signing in, you will be taken to a screen where you can select your Google account. Click on the account you wish to use for Cloudflare. The next screen will ask for your permission to share your Google account information with Cloudflare. Once you are on the permission screen, click on the button that says Continue. This will allow Cloudflare to access necessary information from your Google account, facilitating the account setup process. Following this, you will be taken to a welcome page titled Welcome. How do you plan to use Cloudflare? Here, you need to choose how you plan to use Cloudflare's services. Click on the option labeled Personal to continue the setup process. Next, you will need to identify your role. Click on the option that says what best describes your role. A list will appear and you should select Information Technology IT from the options provided. After selecting your role, you'll be prompted to choose the number of employees in your organization. Click on the option labeled 29 to indicate the size of your team. Next, you will be asked to select a use case for your Cloudflare account. Click on the option that says Build and Scale Apps Globally to proceed. After that, you will be taken to a question asking how you would like to start building. Click on the option labeled How would you like to start building to continue. Following this, you will see an option to skip the tutorial setup process. Click on the button that says Skip to finalize your account creation. Now that you have completed the setup process, you can begin using your Cloudflare account. If you'd like to try creating a Cloudflare account yourself, the link is available in the description below. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.